What's up, my stylish people? This is Shashank. Welcome back to this channel. This video is going to be a little bit different. It's not a haul video. Few of you guys asked me on Instagram to share the products, my grooming products, which I use on a daily basis, both in terms of skincare as well as hair care. I thought, why not? Because I stocked all of them very recently from the Amazon's wardrobe refresh sale, and this video is not sponsored, guys. I'm just showing what I use on a daily basis. I'm not recommending these products for anyone. And also, please do note that the skincare and hair care products, it varies from person to person. Always make sure that you pick a right choice which suits your skin or for your hair. Having said that, let us get started with the skincare, and that to facial skincare. In general, I love Body Shop as a brand, and most of the products I use for skincare are from Body Shop, and particularly for cleansing of my face, I use tea tree face wash from Body Shop. I think it's priced somewhere around 695 or 700 rupees. I got some 20% off on Amazon. I use this on a regular basis. I was using since almost last 3 to 4 years. I use this face wash specifically for tea tree oil because it generally prevents acne, and also it's mild but still cleanses your face very well. Now let's go into the moisturizing for facial skin. And for that I use the Body Shop Vitamin E. Vitamin E generally itself have the skin lightening properties. It do prevents the dark spots. It prevents the skin from the UV rays. It can hold moisture really well. It's a 48 hours version, and in case if you have super dry skin, they have this 96 hours version as well, I think so. But I generally buy 48%, and they do have different formulations of it. Sorry, I'm from biopharmaceutics, so the formulation language comes into play. Means in terms of the sorbet or gel formulation, if you want, they do have multiple options when it comes to vitamin E moisturizers, and that's for the moisturizer I use. When it comes to the lip balm, I generally use from Boutique Bioberry lip balm, and apart from that I use Neutrogena lip balm as well. Depending on the use case, I use either one of them. When it comes to the body, there are two aspects. One would be the cleaning aspect or the cleansing aspect, for which I use the shower gel from Body Shop as well. That's a wild argan oil shower gel. I do have Satsuma, I do have olive oil. Depending on my mood and depending on what I wanted to use at the time, generally I use either one of them. But in general, for this month I bought the wild argan oil because for winter season that's a very good one to have. It have antioxidant properties and it leaves moisturizing effect on the skin, and of course it smells really good. You need the moisturizer for body as well. Don't use your body moisturizer for face and the vice versa. And the vice versa, I don't think so many of you guys will use, because face moisturizer generally they tend to be on the pricier side. No one is gonna use face moisturizer for body. For body moisturizer, I use Nivea body milk lotion. It's super affordable and it have very good moisturizing properties. Your body surface area is more, you're gonna need more body lotion. If it gets over quickly also, you can replace that very easily because it's super affordable. These are the two products I use on a daily basis when it comes to my body care. And when it comes to the hair care, I generally use only two products. One is the shampoo, another is also shampoo, but one shampoo is actually the normal shampoo that gives lather. It is from the L'Oreal Series Expert series that have the hair strengthening properties. It's very mild but still cleans the hair very nicely, and on top of that I really like how it smells and also the consistency of this shampoo. Previously it used to be a little bit in the gel format, but right now it is in the creamish formulation. I was using this since maybe last 1 to 1.5 years. And also when it comes to the other shampoo, it's a dry shampoo. This is a lifesaver. You guys don't know. If you don't have dry shampoo handy with you, make sure that you get a smaller version of this bottle. It comes really handy. So what are the advantages and why I use that? Of course, it's time saving, first thing. And number two, it removes the oil and dirt from your hair and keeps it fresh. No need to take head bath on every alternative day or maybe like 2 or 3 times in a week. So it keeps your hair clean and it adds a mild fragrance to it. And the best part, it gives that volume to the hair. So it's a win-win situation. I think you can get this for 200 or 250 rupees. It's not super costly either. You can get a big bottle as well. You can get the smaller versions for 100 to 150. You can just give it a try. I'm not recommending, not a sponsored video. I hope you guys found this video informative in some or other way. I didn't discuss much about the products. I just wanted to show you guys. All the link for the products in case if you want to shop are down in the description below. That's it for me. See you next time.